Anlin is the only manufacturer to have the ability to put the pet door inside the glass. Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I want to talk about an Anlin option on their patio doors, and that is to have a pet door inside the glass. So as of right now, the way I've heard it, Anlin is the only manufacturer to have the ability to put the pet door inside the glass. And all they're doing is they're taking the glass, pre-cutting it, send it to get temperized, and then they'll come back and have this installed right onto it. So the guys on the plant floor will put this together. Once they have the dual pane glass unit, they will set this right inside there and right into your frame. So it's kind of a neat little feature. And normally I would put the pet door furthest away from the handle. That way you can close your screen door and your animal can go in and out freely. So you unhook this, unlock your little plate, you pull that out, and now you have the pet access to go in and out freely. So really neat little feature, so that way you don't have to put this through your siding or your stucco wall, creating a hole. This is very, very neat. And also is gonna be covered under the warranty. With the pet door, I mean, it's an Anlin produced dual pane glass unit, but I have installed it in other patio doors. I've had consumers call and ask, is it okay for me to install something like this in their existing dual pane door, be it a Milgard, Pella, whatever. As long as I can get the overall thickness to 7/8, then yeah, we can add this. There won't be any warranty from Anlin, things of that nature, but I can definitely get the dual pane glass unit made with the pet door in it and installed in an existing vinyl dual pane patio door. So for those of you out there who are interested in this but already have a replacement door, that could be a possibility. It could be an option for you. But definitely very, very neat feature. We install these at least a couple times a month for consumers, and they love them. Their animals love them as well. So very, very cool little feature. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.